So sorry about that, guys. I got interrupted, but we're back. Holy crap! What's this, death bots? Oh, I'm gonna need that nano. I'm confused. So confused. Maybe I need to use my grav boots? Is there anywhere I could use them? Oh god! Screw this, I'm running. Yeah, and I don't think you have shot Lombax before now. Yeah, he didn't shoot me. I'm good. It's one of those gotta kill all the enemies. God dang it. There we go. Good. Yay! Oh god, they're all up there. That's how you're gonna be. I got fishing grenades! Oh, it's so safe! Yes, thank god! Oh god. Please, no, keep away, keep away, keep away. Oh. This isn't good, guys. Guys. Is it 14?
Prepare to meet your doom at the hands of Clank and Sapphire!
I wouldn't be scared, actually.
Engage. Do you hear me? Wait for us to come back you up.
Oh god. Ah, god. Here, can you taste your own mother? Ah, ha, ha, ha. Not good. Oh, jeez. Thank god, grab boots. So you guys get to see what the grab boots look like. Whoops. Switch this.
Clank and Zephyr need our assistance. We must hurry.
There we go. We should be good. I don't know if we can move up here. Can we? Yes, we can. Let's get these. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh. Oh, I can't shoot the bombs. Great, now I'm gonna have to beat them with a wrench. Oh well. I have a wrench for a reason. It's not just for fixing things, apparently. Well, not just for fixing things. Boom! Okay. Oh, you're kidding me! Really? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, no! No! No, I'll cut this loose right here. Ugh!